Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I just finished changing my transmission gauge switch. The seal is just right beside the selector, and that is the selector, and I changed it. Please don't make the same mistake I made. I actually removed the seal and I noticed oil was spilling down, and I rushed to take the oil, but before I do, I've lost a lot of oil. So you can see the oil on the floor. So before you do this, make sure you have something like a can to take the oil. Immediately you remove the seal, the oil will spill out. Yes, so don't make that mistake. So I've changed the seal, I've put it back, and I test it and I see it's not leaking. Yes, it's not dropping any oil anymore. So you can do this yourself. It's easy to do, but be careful. So here I've fixed the selector back, and I have to gauge back the oil, and then before I start the car and test run it. So this is easy. Before you lose this, you only need a 10 spanner to do this, so it's easy to do. So this is me trying to fill up the oil bag